I'm going to show you how to make the simplest version of Vietnamese spring rolls with shrimp and chicken. It is simple, healthy and tasty dish with its dipping sauce. In this recipe, I use the herbs I have on hand: mint, a spring onion flowers from the garden and cilantro. Put 1 teaspoon of salt in a small saucepan of boiling water. Cook 1 chicken breast for 20 minutes over low heat covered. Also cook 5 ounces of rice noodles in boiling water for 5 minutes over high heat. Drain them. Rinse them with cold water and let them drain. After 20 minutes of cooking, take the chicken out and let it cool. Grate 1 carrot. Combine them with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Keep aside. Cut 1/2 cucumber into 10 sticks. Cut the chicken into thin slices. Peel 10 ounces of cooked shrimp. Put a weight and wrung out cloth on the board. For rice paper, I like to use the special ones for fresh spring rolls. They are thin, softer and chewy because they contain tapioca starch. Prepare some hot water at about 140 degrees. Hot water helps soften the rice paper very quickly without making it too soggy. Soak 1 rice paper in it and immediately take it out to place it on the cloth. The dampened cloth also helps soften the rice paper while keeping it moist. Place the ingredients there, close to the edge on your side. I like to put lots of herbs. They bring freshness and flavor. Add the cilantro cut into sections. You can spread the ingredients over a large part of the rice paper. This makes rolling easier, and you can visually highlight some of the ingredients by placing them slightly apart from the others. For example, on this roll, I want to see the shrimp. Fold the 2 sides toward the center while keeping them parallel. Roll it up, holding the ingredients inside and tightening it. Place a stem of spring onion flower there. Keep them in a dish under a dry cloth to prevent them from drying out. They can be wrapped in cling film to keep them soft for 4 hours at room temperature. If you keep them in the fridge, the rice paper will harden. Enjoy them freshly prepared. They are delicious with nuoc cham dipping sauce. You can watch my video to learn how to make it. Bon appétit! You can enjoy them as a starter or as a complete meal. If your spring rolls are tight and nothing falls out when you bite into them, then they are very successful. They are even better. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.